So let's look at some tricks for division when it comes to the number 2. Basically, if the last digit of a number is 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8, the number is divisible by 2. Let's take a look at some examples here. So let's say I have the number 10, which obviously ends in 0, and I want to divide that by 2. What that's going to tell me, since it's essentially an even number, what that's going to tell me is that 10 divided by 2 is going to equal to 5. There's going to be no remainders. I know I can divide 2 into 10 evenly, so 10 will be divided by 2 evenly. Let's take another example here. Let's look at the number 18. So if I took 18 and I divided that by 2, that's also going to divide evenly. 18 divided by 2 will be 9. 2 will go into 18 9 times with no remainders. Let's look at a third example. Let's say I have the number 254 that ends in 4. Well, I can cut that number right in half. And you want to know what half of 254 is? Well, it's going to be 127, because 2 can go into 254 127 times. We can cut that right in half. It can go into it evenly. It would divide into 254 evenly. Let's look at our last example here, because essentially what we're saying is, let's look at the number 300. So for 300, also ends in a 0. We have 300 divided by 2. Well, that's going to be 150. So this is really a quick and easy way for you to kind of look at a number and determine whether or not it can be divisible by 2. Try it yourself. Test it out. And essentially what we're saying is that even numbers, any even number, can be divisible by 2.